Now how to find the square of a 3-digit number in one line? Suppose we have a number 1 4 5. One, 3, 8, and we have to find the square of this number in one line. So first step is we square the unit digit, means 8 square, which is 64, 4, 6 carry. After that we multiply 3 into 8 into 2, means 3 into 8 into 2. 3 at the 24 to the 48, 48 plus 6, 54, 5 carry. After that we multiply 1 into 8, 1 into 8 into 2, and square of the middle term, means 3 square. Then it is 16, 8 to the 16 plus 9, 25, 25 plus 5, 30, and 3 carry. Next step, we multiply 1 into 3 into 2, means 1 into 3, 1 to 3 into 2. We get 6, 6 plus 3, 9, and the square of 100 place digit, means 1 square. 1 square is 1, and it is our answer. Now we have to find the square of 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 2. We have to find the square of 342 in one line. Then first step is we square the unit digit, means we square 2. 2 square gives 4. Second step is we multiply 4 into 2 into 2, means 4 into 2 into 2. 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 6, 1 carry. Third step is we multiply 3 into 2 into 2. 3 into 2 into 2, and square the middle term, means 3 into 2 into 2, and square the middle term. Add the square of middle term, means it is 3 to the 6 to the 12, 12 plus 16, 12 plus 16, 28 plus 1, 9, 2 carry. Fourth step, we multiply 3 into 4 into 2, means 3 into 4 into 2. Then 3 4 the 12, 12 to the 24, 24 plus 2, 2 carry, means 24 plus 2, 26, and 2 carry again. And last step is we square the 100 place digit, means square of 3. Square of 3 is 9. 9 plus 2, 11. And it is the square of 342 in one line. Suppose we have to find the square of 543. 543. We have to find the square of this term. Then firstly we square the unit digit, means 3 square. 3 square is 9. After that we multiply 4 into 3 into 2, means 2 into 4 into 3. We have suppose we have to find the square of 543. Then firstly we square the unit place digit, means 3 square, which is 9. After that we multiply 4 into 3 into 2. 4 into 3 into 2. Then 4 3 is 12, 2 is 24. 24 to carry. Then we multiply 5 into 3 into 2. And add the middle term, means 4 square. Add the middle term. Then 5 3 is 15 to the 30. 30 plus 16, 46. 46 plus 2, 48. 48, 4 carry. Now we multiply 5 into 4 into 2, means 5 into 4 into 2. 5 into 4 into 2, 40. 40 plus 4, 44. 4 carry. Now we square the 100 place digit, means 5 square. 5 square 25. 25 4, 29, and it is answer.